Ribuan prajurit Ukraina menyerah kepada Rusia terutama di wilayah Mariupol. Bagaimana kondisi para tentara Ukraina dan nasionalis yang menyerah? Bagaimana kondisi sehari-harinya? Sebelumnya beredar video tentara Rusia yang ditawan Ukraina mendapat perlakuan tidak manusiawi. Rusia merilis kondisi terkini ribuan tahanan perang dari tentara Ukraina. Mereka mendapat perlakuan baik, yang sakit diobati, yang lapar diberi makanan. Menu makanan tidak berbeda dengan menu yang disantap tentara Rusia. Kami hidup di bawah kondisi yang hampir sama dengan prajurit tentara Rusia di sini, maksud saya masalah kesejahteraan. Semua orang setia, mereka mengasihani kami mengharapkan yang lebih buruk, kata salah seorang tentara Ukraina seperti dikutip Tribun Timur dari media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Jumat tanggal 22 April.
We live under almost the same conditions as the Russian army servicemen here, the welfare issues. Everyone's very loyal, they take compassion upon us, we expected worse. All we want is to come back home safe and sound, as well as this violent confrontation to end. The sooner the better, the healthier people there will stay. I believe that torture of any prisoners of war is not humane, regardless of the country that takes part in hostilities. I want to go home to hug my mom, dad, girlfriend, and sister, to tell them that I'm alive and well. That's it. My personal opinion is that any war, whatever the goals are, is evil. Of course, if this is true, then it is very horrific. It's terrible. I do not consider Russia as an enemy. We have a normal attitude towards the Russian people. I wish it all could end as soon as possible. Many soldiers die. I want peace to be established by negotiations as soon as possible.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.